Solve the problem. At a point 30 meters from the base of a tower, the distance to the top of the tower is 2 meters more than twice the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. We've read our problem carefully. Let's define our variable and let x represent that thing to be found, the height of the tower. We're told that our distance from our point to the top of the tower is 2 meters more than twice the height. So let's describe that distance as 2x plus 2. Now, we're going to assume that this tower and the ground are going to form a right angle so that we can use our Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to relate the three sides of this triangle. Now, we've denoted this distance as 2x plus 2. Let's substitute values. I'm going to substitute x in for a and write this as x squared plus 30 in for b, so plus 30 squared, is equal to c squared, in other words, 2x plus 2, quantity squared. So we've written our equation. Now let's solve it. X squared plus 30 squared is a 900 is equal to, remember to FOIL here, that's going to give your first term squared, or 4x squared, plus the product of your inner and outer terms, which is 4x twice, or 8x, plus that last term 2 squared, or 4. Now, we've got a quadratic equation. Let's put it in standard form. I'm going to set everything on the right equal to 0 on the left. Subtracting x squared from both sides gives a 3x squared. We've got a plus 8x. Subtract your 900 over. 4 minus 900 is a negative 896. Let's factor this trinomial on the right-hand side. Its leading factor terms have to be 3x and x to give 3x squared. Now, factors of negative 896 that are going to make this work in here after some trial and error, we arrive at a positive 56 and a minus 16. 56x minus a 48x gives this middle term 8x. So we have a correct factorization. Now your zero factor property, 3x plus 56 is 0, or x minus 16 is 0. Now this linear piece yields a negative number. Subtracting 56 over and dividing by 3, x is a negative 56 thirds, or x is equal to 16. Now, focus your attention right here. Remember that x represents the height of this tower, and that height is not realistically going to be a negative number. So let's, right off the top, just reject this as a possible solution. Focus on the 16. The height, yeah, realistically could be 16 meters. As a last step, let's check that. Okay, is this going to satisfy the Pythagorean theorem? Okay, if the height is 16, that other leg of our triangle is 30, is 16 squared plus 30 squared equal to that distance from our point to the height of the tower, which we called a 2x plus 2. I'm going to write that as 2 times 16 plus 2 squared. Is this a true statement? Well, 16 squared is 256. 30 squared, that's 900. 2 times 16, 32. Plus 2 is 34. Square it. 256 and 900 is 1156. 34 squared is 1156 also. This is a true statement. Therefore, the height of this tower is 16 meters.